You know, what be ever taking tree Juma the so and maybe the show how a bit in your first work create cryptocurrency account. Me can in such a way so be a bit in your tiase cause Ghana will be at cryptocurrency on tiase. Cryptocurrency is near to say Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency, USDT, Doge, a Doge may be by the video, you know, maybe show how I'll be to first work create cryptocurrency account. And how I bet me first way use mobile money ID. I think they are talking cryptocurrency. What in their payment in the video, but show why I bet me first way create cryptocurrency account free of charge. Before you best start no, me kind of more call. You be in now piece in so. Na mohu me de my step by step me are no me de mako how obeti me fa so use mobile money account na e dey ato we be verify our account ni step by step it is dey be the kind ni say me be browser no that's Google Chrome and secure so obeti me no create ade bia yes customer we use Google Chrome and secure na ya bo Binance.com binance.com na bosso e boss why dey be call Binance for website dey call Binance for website over down be who market BNB BTC and like we na cryptocurrencies beyond the value so and so na wa but in the video ni go about how we na be sure kwa be faso create na what we no inti you create account ni we now say like we get more researches about we now we betimi aye inti be register now you be register now on so a e be loadi automatically no almost send me detect country na you want that Ghana na confirm so we ni Ghana so a na be detect mistake ni detect or ha then you choose the country we betimi dey mobile phone create account with the email address create account but me person use email address no and create account but person use mobile phone now with me use their create account no but me use email address to techimchi@gmail.com password no about password that person be Binance way no na we fella ID no if you like the say be account you create say cause the video you bring free of charge but who create here now you use me idea me ID ni one me ID ni 1801 in case of person use my ID now wait me use my ID na dey create account no and the bebo ama me so me Binance account na me so ma create na dey me so matimi anya achede bi omo ye bia sa so na also dey no wi a o person obi create a betimi copy ID na dey na dey ama no nti se video woni je ho a me so wa me person obi use my ID na dey create account no se dey nyina e betimi dey bi betimi aye kama nti bebo ye we fella ID na dey asha na ya bo ya take away no I agree to receive email update in case of Binance be promotional or me send the update heading at the amount because of so be take away no or me send the update heading at the amount nti ya wie no na ya ba create account ti be create account na so pass the be wa ha ti ya ba betum finfini say the air share no na ya to na ya leave any security verification no ti ye bo wi a e be send code bi akoy email na ye boy no nti sisi am me call me email no techimchi no @gmail.com no me call email no me yini wo me phone so de na e wo phone so abetimi ayi na de aye e wo ho nti me call me code no and na my basha o ma send call email na dey create into call na dey wakobo e dey asho it automatically be detected until email verified just what verify we email no now move on to the next step ti be loadi e dey be call dashboard no ti see e be catch you say yen verify identity nti enne wa ha no very pie betimi verify identity nti se dey be ko profile no na kwa verify identity because we verify identity na amount limitations be ewo ho because we verify we are betimi e dey atọ cryptocurrencies amount be a wo pe bia no betimi dai ne e dey atọ what I say so bia wo pese bia wo to when be almost suspect like so we verify identity no say we yes say we nti ye be verify yeah verify.
How to complete identity verification. What is identity verification? Identity verification, or Know Your Customer (KYC), is designed to protect users' accounts against the misuse of financial accounts, such as fraud, corruption, money laundering, and terrorist financing. Why do I need to complete identity verification? Binance requires users to complete identity verification to increase their account security. You can enjoy a higher limit of your Binance account after verifying. There are 3 levels of verification on Binance: Basic, Intermediate, and Advanced. Basic is the minimum requirement for using Binance services, while Intermediate and Advanced require more information to verify your identity. How to complete identity verification. Log into your Binance account and click User Center Identification. You can change your country by clicking the button. Click Verify Now to start. Enter your personal information. Please make sure that all the information entered is consistent with your ID documents. You won't be able to change it once confirmed. Your account is now verified for Basic. To further increase your limits, click Upgrade to Higher Limits. Next, you will need to upload pictures of your ID documents. Please choose the type of ID and the country your documents were issued. Follow the instructions to upload photos of your document. Your photos should clearly show the full ID document. For example, if you are using an ID card, you have to take photos of the front and back of your ID card. After uploading the document photos, the system will ask for a selfie. After that, you need to complete face verification. Please do not wear hats, glasses, or use filters, and make sure that the lighting is sufficient. Alternatively, move your mouse to Can't Use PC to complete the verification on the Binance app instead. Scan the QR code via your app to finish the face verification process. After completing the process, please wait patiently. Once your application has been verified, you will be notified. If you want to further increase your limits, click Verify Now to complete the advanced verification. Enter your address and click Continue. Upload your proof of address documents. Click Confirm to submit. The verification status will show as Under Review. Please wait patiently for it to get approved. Secure your Binance account today to enjoy higher limits.
Sisi ne ya create account na wo ayi ne so awie no ya create account na wo PC ne so awie no me dem ko Binance app no wo phone no so say dey like mo beti bibia see nti ese no e bia wa verify o Binance wa yi bibia awie no sisi wo ko download the Binance app no wo phone no so wo download iPhone na wo use Samsung ana say iPhone 900 wo ko download the Binance app no to download the Binance app na see the Binance app on it here. See the Binance app on it here. Until you say no, you call. Until you sign in a way, no. Until you say my sign me then my verification be we see the app on it here. Until you back say ha. Oba say ha your wallet. I say ani ubu wallet wa ha. Until ubu wallet no wallet na wa ha ya. Sports no oba hana eba beto no nti coin na wo pesa woto no crypto coin na wo pesa woto no bia USDT ebia BNB ebia BTC to the emphasis pesa to USDT abo USDT obo USDT ne so a obo P2P trading fee zero fee e hana ebe use mobile money pesa use credit card to a obo use credit card na wa ha sei nti ese mi use PNP pesa mi use mobile money nti me bo mobile money ne so nti ye wo mo buy ne wa ha ene di o mo ton USDT ne di oh BTC Bitcoin no mo ton Bitcoin so de nti bia mpese me to USDT nti Prince ton USDT ono so the limit ne say so to 30 million to and 310 million ansana wotimi ato ne ho nti se me pede obetimi offer bia me se me to 14 Ghana we so to ne limit ne di oh ono so ne di na ya ba mamu ono so ne ade se unya 1000 ni we na opese woto a nti ye beto wo site Morgan ho na ya bo site Morgan te bebo site Morgan na ya bo skadodo e pese to no e bi e pese to 500 series na ya bo ba opese woto ni every cryptocurrency na woto na as a crypto na like on person obo ne Ghana cedis e bia opese o send this ka bi crypto bi ma ba opese on person obo mistake wo hwan am fa so to na no obo buy with crypto no obo be 100 so it means say 100 na be ba 6.440 na be to sa crypto coin no obo buy USDT ntu ba buy na e do be ko how obetimi fa so atwie sika na manipa no nti payment method ni di hwe kwan am fa so atwie sika ni di nti Morgan oba payment method na Morgan ni full name ye Frederick Yeboah na the phone number nti ube send it say wo push sika obomo no wo push ama number we make sure say din ye we what I say nti wo twie sika ni wia wo twie sika na wie sika na ko send the exact sika no e mani pa no wo twie sika na ma na wie no abo transferred what I say obo transferred na Morgan be release this scan and they are to Binance account name. I hope somebody I say be release this scan and they are to Binance account name. Until say no. Me entry scan into me like my free hold no. I hope somebody I say there. Ntu person use credit card so bit me use or credit card e wa ase and so enye den. Bitcoin apesa wota no abo Bitcoin so no abo skado do apesa wota no sa nti sha say make sure so we verify our account no we verify our account ni we are and no so apesa we trading anyway ye be nyina step by step Binance we futures wa hana e bia apesa we make iska e bia apesa we 30 Ghana na onya bia be 700 million anyway ani nyina wa ha but the higher apesa we iska the higher risk in was so next video na do go through and as me to be into Binance or into cryptocurrencies no matter any interview no I explain here to toe so do be a bit me ase follow take in on Facebook say who question be a person be say maybe fat comment section no na amount for bit me ide amount for bit me aboa na say me bit me aboa but you be bisa question wo yeah my videos I mean you be bisa question na woni be a patch reply na my said anything be an yin na everything about boy or said anything be remember be hiding etimi akoso follow take him share on Facebook oko YouTuber ko subscribe the channel the videos are ehun here o Ghana ha bia wo ya de bia unim ate na wo ye no